Yo guys, what is going on? In this video I would like to share with you how to upgrade to the new iOS 13 beta that has just been released. This is a method that I've recently discovered and it's very easy to upgrade. You do not need a developer's account whatsoever. You can do it on your iPad or iPhone, and it is compatible with the iOS 10, 11 and 12 versions. Also with the older iPhones such as iPhone 5, iPhone 5S and iPhone 6. Let me show you the method. Open your browser, your Safari browser, and go to betaos.live, betaos.live, and now press start iOS 13 beta to upgrade to the new iOS 13. It is going to connect to your device and check if it is compatible and fetching the device data. Do not worry, 95% plus of the devices will be compatible and you will get your upgrade very fast. This has also been developed by Pengu 8, which is very trustful, and they also developed other jailbreaks and stuff. And now we have to confirm if this is the latest iOS versions, the version that we are running. Yes, and also make sure you've backed up your device just in case. And now the process has just started and you will be upgraded. As you can see, it is fetching the iOS 13 beta. And guys, now we have to download two apps and open them for around 30 seconds to connect for free to the iOS 13. Let's choose two apps. You can choose any of them. It is irrelevant which apps you choose as long as you keep them open for around 30 seconds or so. Okay, let's download this one. And now this one. Okay, let's choose another one. As you can see, the method is simple. It is very easy and free. And you will get connecting to the iOS 13 very easily. No developer's account, as I've said. And let's see if the first app has finished downloading. Let's open it. Now to connect to this VPN, just and register, enter an email. It does not matter, it can be a fake email as well. Okay, now let's continue. Choose a password. It can be any password that you choose, just to keep the app opened for 30 seconds or so. Now here you don't have to pay anything if you don't want to. Okay, and now let's open the second app. And after this, guys, all you have to do is restart your device and the iOS 13 upgrade will be complete. You will receive all the features of iOS 13. And that's enough. So that's the method, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and have fun with iOS 13. Have a great day.